acting up. D-ho be acting up. D-ho be acting up. And D.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and I really appreciate the fact that you decided to check us out today. So if you're new here, I'm sure you're going to like what you see, and if you do like what you see, please subscribe because you'll be seeing more of that. So today guys, I want to teach us something I think is very important. I want to teach us how to make a video. I want to teach us how to make two videos appear on the same video. Like it will seem as if you're talking to yourself on a video. I want to teach us how to edit a video like that. I want to teach us how to make it mainly now, but I want to teach us how to edit it, so that in our next video I'll teach you how to make it, because that will take a lot of practical work. But today I'll just show you how to edit it on your smartphones. So if you have a smartphone, first of all, let me show you an example of a video we'll be making. So let me show you what the video looks like. So this is what the video looks like. So we're making a video like this. These are two different videos actually. There's one on the right hand side, this one on the left. If you look at the color closely, you will see that these videos are different. You see that these videos are different. Sorry, let me check out something. So guys, like I was saying, these are two different videos. So I will teach you guys how to edit a video to make these two videos come together. So the app I use to do this is kinemaster. So it's not very difficult. So I'll open kinemaster and show us how to work with that. So when you open kinemaster for the first time, you can find the app in Google Play Store. You can download it on Google Play Store, or you can download it on you can search for it on Google, and then you can download it from there and install it. So first of all, I've already used the app recently, so I'm just going to go back to the home screen so I can start afresh, so you guys can follow. So when you open it first, what it looks like. So to start editing, you click this big circle icon here. When you click it, these are different video formats. So you choose the one you want to work with depending on the project you have. So first of all, we're going to work with the 16:9, which is exactly what we want. So I'll click it, and it brings us to this screen. So to start editing, those of us who are new to kinemaster, to start editing this video, I'm going to show us something that most of us experience. Let's say for instance you want to edit a video now. You made a video with your phone and you want to edit it. I'm just going to try to import another video to show you something. I just want to show you something now that most of us experience, that I will address very soon. So when you just choose a random video, let me just choose a random video to show us that there are some videos that kinemaster do not accept. So I'll just show us how to. So when I click this video, you see that it says unsupported resolution. You can see that not all the videos on your phone can be accepted by kinemaster. Kinemaster has its own required video resolution. So in order to make a video, any video you made with your phone, to be adaptable with kinemaster, I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. So just I'll in case your most phones can accept, most phones can be okay to accept the kinemaster to edit with any form of resolution at all, but some phones don't really accept that kind of resolution when the resolution is very high. So if your phone's camera is somehow low, kinemaster can accept the resolution, but if your phone camera has a high quality, you understand, kinemaster might not be able to accept that resolution. So if you're among the people that have a high quality camera and kinemaster finds it difficult to accept your videos because of the resolution, I want you to just go to the description. There's a link I left there to another video where I showed how you can make your videos, no matter the video resolution, to be accepted in kinemaster. So that said, I'll just go and click our project videos so that we can work on this project real quick. So this is the wrong one. This is the one I did before. Let me just go to the fresh one so that we can start afresh. So these are the two videos we're going to be working with here. So remember how I got here? I clicked the media button that was on top. Let me go back, so I don't want you guys to miss any point. I want you guys to get value from this video. Let's go back entirely. So this is where we came to at the first place. So you just click this media up here to start with. Leave this center icon, click the media up to start with. Then when you now click the media, it brings you to a place where it shows you all the videos in your phone. So you just select the video that you want to work with. So first of all, select this one and bring it in. So when you bring in one video, don't bring in the next video at the same time. Just go back to the home screen, and then to bring in the next video, click this layer icon here. You just see another set of icons. Select the media icon at the far top. When you now select it, you can now bring in the next video so that it can match with this one directly, because if you bring it in at that first place, it might not really match the way you want it to. So select it, it now comes under it, it now matches it exactly. So when you now import this one, what you should do first of all is to hold this angle here and draw it. Make sure you draw it until the video laps with the same size of the screen. You understand? Draw it until it laps. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, bam. Oh yeah, that's it. So when you now get to this point, when you still have the video clicked, when you unclick it, you see that it goes back. You cannot work with the other one is not showing. This one on top is not showing. So to make this one on top to show, you click it. You can click the icon here, or you click it on the screen. You now scroll down on this right hand side, and you select, we are looking for cropping. Okay, that's it, cropping. When you now select cropping, you select this mask. When you now select mask, you can now go to the far left side of this video. You see a small white section on all the ends. You just go to the far left hand side and draw this icon. Make sure you draw it until you now be seeing the other video, until the other video shows as much as you want it to. Keep drawing it until this is just what you need for this one, because the one on the left hand side is bigger, so make it to be bigger. So now when you now get to where you like it, you can leave it anywhere you want, but just make sure it assumes the exact shape of that side. Don't make it to look this way. It has to be very much down this way here. So we now leave it here. So you can now see that we now have the two videos. When you now click outside, the two videos now lap. You can see that. Wow. So that's our two videos. So let's play it and see what we have. Sorry.
How do I look? You look good. You look good. Let's go. You look good.
So guys, sorry, it's not really the video doesn't move according to the sound most times. That's not the problem. So in order to experiment and be sure of what we've done, first of all we export it and put it into our phone gallery so that we can view it from there. When we view it from our phone gallery, it's going to be very, very much okay for us to see what we've done. So you just click that button up there to export it. So when you now get to this point, you now click the video you just worked on. When you click it, you now select the second icon here. When you now select it, you choose export. From export, you skip this section and it starts exporting. So let's wait for it to export the video completely. Let's give it some time to export it. Yeah, so just like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe so that you can be getting relevant content like this every week, or almost every 3 times in a week sometimes. So please just subscribe if you're new here, and also check out the videos in the description to see if you need anyone to help you improve your skills. And when you subscribe, in the future I'll be posting videos that will help you, I promise that. And also don't forget to like this video and also click the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So that's it, the video has exported. So let's go to our gallery and watch the video we just worked on. Let's go to our phone gallery and watch the video to see what we've done. So guys, let's locate the video. I think it should be inside our export gallery, our export folder. So let's locate the export folder. So that's it, export. So just click it. So let's see what we have here now.
How do I look? You look good. You look good. Let's go. You look good. Thank you.
So that's it, guys.
How do I look? You look good. You look good. Let's go. You look good.
So that's what we have, guys. We just worked on this. We just made this now. Congratulations, guys. So if you are wondering, you can also make pictures that we are done with this particular project now. So I want to show you guys something else. You can also make pictures that make you appear twice. Let me show you a sample of what I mean. So I don't have to talk too much about it. This is what I mean. Look at this picture now. I appeared twice in this picture. You won't even know that it was edited. It's so real. I will teach you guys how to make this also. So and if you want to learn how to make this, don't forget to subscribe, so that whenever I put out the video that teaches how to make this, you will see the video and you will now watch it and learn the skill. So please subscribe to this channel, and I promise to be giving you relevant content every week. So guys, you can just check out that, you can just try out that skill I just taught you guys today. Go to Google Play Store, download kinemaster, and make 2 different videos and make them lap together. So if you have any problem making those kind of videos, hit me up in the comment section and I will clarify any questions you have. Thank you, and I'll miss you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, please.